Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie, Hunting Hog Simpson here. We're down at the river today, guys. We are gonna do a little channel catfishing or whatever wants to bite, really. Got night crawlers, I got chicken liver, I got some suckers for cut bait. So go down here so we can get on some. Went flathead fishing yesterday afternoon. Got on 3 of them while I was down there, guys. Caught 2 on artificials and 1 on cut bait. Had live bait out there all night. Didn't get no bites on live bait. I couldn't believe it. But since I started cutting the heads off these suckers, air ripping them, dude. I mean, I had two break offs on my catfish pole, and then I had 2 break offs on my muskie pole, and then one was my fault. But yeah, I had my line broke like 4 times last night by big fish guys. So let's go down and get on some fish and see if we can get a big one, guys. Let's do this. Come on with me, and we will see what we get today. So let's do this, guys. Guys, already got a bite. Already got a bite. I'm trying to get my rods in the water. This one here is trying to take off on me. It's cut bait, cut bait. I threw that out, night crawler over there. Another one's gonna pick up like crazy. It's awesome sauce. Yeah, I'm getting bites already. It's a good sign, good sign. Put another piece of cut bait on this one. Whip it up in there by that tree, straight out there. Oh. And I got the old bobby. Come on, damn scales. The other way. Should be good. Oh yeah, here we go. He's ripping on her now, guys. Look at that, look at that. Ripping the shit out of her. Just gave me a bunch of slacks, what he did. Oh, son of a bitch. He set her line out real quick. Were you taking off with it, buddy? Acting like gar though, but it might not be. Might not be. There we go. Get that way up in there. I think it's deeper on that other bank over there than anywhere. Seems like it is anyway. It appears to be deeper, guys. It appears to be deeper. I got 4 out now. Here's my night crawler. Now he's biting on it. Damn it. Oh. It's so damn muddy. I'm going to slip and sliding everywhere. Wow. Yeah, he wants that night crawler, whatever he is. Come on, buddy. Take off with her again like that. Na 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 na. I want to put a bobber on, flip it up in there, float through there. Yo, Bobby, some cut bait. That big headpiece, I need to reel it in and throw it further downstream, I think. What's the damn fish doing? Give me a bunch of slack. Quit biting, sucker. Alright then. Oh, now he wants to take off as soon as I go to stand back up. Yeah, that's good. Come on, playing with me. Quit playing. He on there? Can't tell, guys. Can't tell if that fish is on there or not. It feels like something's on there. He might be. He might be on there. I'm not sure. Can't tell for sure, but thinking he might be. Can't tell. Yeah, I think he's on there, guys. I think he's on there. I think he's swimming upstream with it. Yep, got something, guys. We got drum perch. Yep, old drum perch. Old drum bud. Yeah. First fish, guys. We didn't get skunked. First fish. I ain't got all my rods in the water. First fish. Old drum perchola, guys. Drum perchola. Alright. Restart this clip, guys. Guys, got one on cut bait again. I think it's gar. I think it's gar though. It's acting. I got him, whatever it is. Yep, I got him. Might not be a gar, might be a cat. Alright, it's on now, guys. It's on and popping. Yeah, it's cat. That's cat daddy. Yeah. That's all I want to see. Man, he grabbed it and he ran with it. He didn't mess around either. That's a nice one, guys. It's a nice cat. Nice channel cat. Nice kitty cat, guys. Nice kitty cat. Come here, buddy. Come on up here, see old dad. Yeah. That's what I came after. That's what we came after, guys. Quit. Getting all muddy. Getting all muddy. Ain't no sense in that. Ain't no sense in that, fishy. Come on. These little circle hooks, boy. I put it on them. Oh, God, damn, come on now. Right behind the tooth pad. He's in there too, boy. Jeez. Jeez Louise, Mr. Catfish. Them hooks really get you, don't they? If you quit biting down on the hook, it might help me get it out a little better. Fool. Man, I'm gonna have to get my pliers, guys. I have to get the pliers on this old boy. Oh, it's so slippery. Muddier than shit. I better bust my balls. Bust my ass here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm trying. Just kick my pole. Alright. Remember, catfish. Quit. There, got it out. Alright, guys. First kitty cat of the day. Yeah, nice little guy. I need to check the camera, make sure you guys can even see what's going on and everything. Yeah, first kitty, guys. First kitty of the day. First kitty. Try to check my angle. Yeah, camera should be alright. Yeah. Ain't bad, guys. Been here maybe 5 minutes, 2 fish. Pretty good day. There's another one right there. Just tag that. Yep, here we go. Come on, take off with it, buddy. Take off with her. Yeah. That's what I like, guys. Fast action. Fast action on the old river. Dang. Come on, buddy. Take it. Might as well keep this one in my hands. I'll be rebaiting all my poles here in a minute. It's all going to be empty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Quit playing with it. Just take it. Yeah, one biting on a worm. Dang. Dang it. Dang it. It's a good problem to have, guys. It's a good problem to have. Lots of bites. Come on. Dang. He hitting her hard. He is hitting her hard. I need to give myself a little more slack on this guy. There we go. Come on, Bubba. Just sucker in your mouth, take off with it. Come on. Down there smooching on it is what he's doing. Oh, come on, Bo. We don't cast up my line. Don't miss your chance. Being a YouTube star. Alright. Damn, what the hell was that? Is that a fish? What the hell, guys? I think it was. I think something just yanked that off of there. Pretty eloquently. That was nice. That's that big sucker head. It's a big bait. That's a big bait, guys. Big bait. Oh, none of these baits are real small, actually. None of them. None of them. None of them. Oh, there's more wormy. Alright, let's get this guy back out there in the old catfish hole over there along that bank. That is the spot. The magic spot right there, guys. That's where magic happens, right there. Alright. Oh man, I almost want to cast that one down there by them logs. Further down along that bank. And I can pitch this one back out over there when I'm done with him. And I can throw my bobber upstream sometime if I ever get a chance. Oh, yeah, you sucker. Little fiddler bite there, guys. Here we go. Here, this guy's back again. He's picking it up too, guys. Here we go. Here we go. What's he doing? He's running with it. He's going to the top. That's a gar. Oh yeah, got him though. Whatever it is. Yep. Got him, guys. Got him. Where the hell's he at? Going under that line. You under it, over it. Over it. Now, what is he? We got here. He's all tangled up in my shit. Ah, dang it. You dum-dum. It's a big old gar, guys. That's a big old gar. Yes, he is. That big dude, look at him. Wow. Nah, he wasn't in that line either. That's cool. That works for me. Let me get him unhooked. Get him on down the road here. He looks like he could be pretty vicious if he wanted to be. Vicious dude. Alright. I need to get my pliers. That's for sure. I ain't touching him without them damn pliers. I got a bite on this one now, guys. Wow. Like, too many damn poles might be a bad deal today. Might be a bad deal. Could result in chaos. It very well could. Man, he's got that damn line wrapped all up in his beak. Mm-hmm. Did you already break my line, you damn fish? Huh? Oh, my sinker's gone. He got my sinker knocked off, there's what he did. Alright, let me get the circle hook out of him. Alright, I got the hook out of him, guys. Alright. Take pictures, big old gar. Big old dude here. Forgot to take a picture of that cat earlier. Camera. Little garfish. He's a big one though. Pretty good sized garfish, guys. Pretty good size. Alright, buddy. Don't freak out on me. I'll hold you up for the camera, then we'll get you back in the water. Alright. Oh, you crazy sucker. Them things are crazy, guys. Psycho ass fish. Damn. Man, he got mud all over everything. You old dumb fish. Knocked my rock over from my rod holder. I gotta wash it off, guys. I'm freaking filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy now. I had to tie another sinker on that one. Get her tossed back out there again. Oh. Damn gar. Nasty old gar. Alright. Wow. Definitely been a productive day, guys. Yesterday I was catching them flatheads. I was getting them on artificials. I caught 2 on artificials, only 1 on cut bait. I couldn't believe it. I catch them a lot down there at the spillway like that though. I always catch them on artificials. Musky lures. Swim baits. The old white swim baits work pretty good. Alright guys, let's get back out there. Let's get after them. See what else we can slay. Oh, alright. I'm gonna rebait this other pole, put a sinker on it, and restart this clip, guys. Right, guys, I just had something hit this big old headpiece. Hoping it's not a gar, but something just hit it. Gave her a real slow bend like a big boy would, but didn't take off with it. Now we'll see if it comes back. Hopefully it ain't a turtle or something stupid. It's hot, boy. It's hot, guys. Definitely hot today. I was fixing to rig up the old bobber. Flip it out, maybe with some chicken liver on it. Try drifting it down through there, but yeah. I don't know if I have enough patience to deal with 5 rods. This 4's keeping me pretty busy right now. Or they were. In the beginning anyway. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. Let me move this one a little bit. I think I got my damn bait. I can't tell though. Tell you the truth, guys, I can't tell. Sure felt like he had my bait. And I'm still biting. My nibble here and there. Am I recording? Am I? Yeah, I am too. Yeah, shut this off, guys. Alright. There we go. Oh, he's starting to bite now. Look at this. I just moved it a little bit. Now he's biting again. Come on, fishy. Here we go, guys. Here we go. He's running downstream with it, whatever he is. Probably gar, if I had to imagine. Yeah, I think it is. I'm gonna bust his chops though. So he gets down there far enough where I can get him. Damn, missed him. Pulled her out of his mouth, guys. Right out of his mouth. Yep. Sure did. And I cut up another piece of cut bait. Alright. Oh. Yeah, they're definitely digging the cut bait today, guys. Definitely digging the cut bait. I'm gonna restart this clip. Casting out a fresh piece of cut bait on this one. And I got a bite on this other pole already too. Same time. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the money spot. That is the money spot, guys. It's where the big ones hang out. I just got a feeling. I got a feeling it's a turtle or something. Just pecking at it. Just down there pecking it. Pecking it, pecking it. Like a little fiddler would. Like a little fiddler would. Yep, little fiddlers. I think so. This one did too. Damn fish. What the hell is he doing? Yeah, he picked it up, sucker. Taking off with it. Here we go, guys. Got him. Think I did? Nope, missed him. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Missed him. Get this one picked back up before he takes off with it. Missed that one, guys. That might have been a gar, though. It's like he sucked all the guts out of it. Oh, sucker. Mm-hmm. I pulled out of his mouth. Yep, must have. Sucker was carrying around a big headpiece like crazy. He was gone with it, man. He was gone. I got bites like crazy too. The other two bowls are bouncing. Same time. Just rebaited my wormy because he was dead. He was gone. Snagged it and stripped him. Oh, I couldn't tell if my camera was recording or not. There we go. This one's back. I ain't got a chance to throw this bobber out, guys. Ain't even had a chance. I want to do it real quick. Just say I did. Oh, what the hell? My tail piece fell off. It's not cool. Oh, see, look. Look here, guys. Look at that shit. See that crap? What the hell was that? He wasn't even there. Here's this one again. Oh, got him that time, guys. See, a snag? What the hell? Oh, are you kidding me? Got me snagged up, guys. Damn it. Now this pole's going crazy. That damn fish. Oh, you're kidding me. Wow. There's knocking the shit out of these baits real quick. All of a sudden. Damn. Damn. Set this pole up. I gotta catch one of these guys. Gotta catch one of these dudes. Every time I go to think about throwing that bobber out, they start tagging me. Tag teaming me. Come on, fish. Playing around. I got a bait back in. This worm's taking off now. The old crawler bub. Here we go. Oh, damn. Is that cut bait? The damn cut bait's gone. No, you gotta be kidding me. I missed that so much again. Yeah, I did too. Freak. Damn it. This one's still biting too, I think. Is it on there still? Yeah, he's still there. He's still there, guys. Got him. Oh, I had him. Damn it. I don't know what that was. He was cruising downstream pretty good. I'll put another night crawler on this. I got some lines out, guys. I ain't got shit out now. I ain't got nothing out. I think that one, he got the bait off it. I just ripped it out of his mouth. Damn fish are blowing me up today. I ain't complaining one bit. I just like to get more hooks in them. Quit missing them. Need to quit missing them, Donnie. Quit missing them. Okay. There's that dude back out. Alright. There's him. This guy, this freak is back again. He just keeps coming back for it, guys. Gotta be a gar. Something dumb like that. Like a gar fish. Alright, there we go. There's that one. Now I attempt to get my other one done up. my big rod back up and rolling again. Alright, move this crap out of the way. Alright guys, sending it downstream. Oh yeah, right up in that log jam. Perfect spot, guys. As I'm back, I got 2 bites going on right now. One on Wormy and one on this one cut bait. Wormy's acting a little more serious. He's running downstream, it looks like. Yeah, I don't know what this dude's doing. He's getting ready to take off with it though. Here we go, guys. Here we go, Wormy. This freaking cut bait's starting to bend too like crazy. Damn it. Which one do I take? Now that one's taking off too. The big headpiece I just threw out. Guys, what do I do here? I got three poles. 3 poles bouncing. Just wait and see which one bends, I guess. Bends the best. Yeah. What do you do? What do you do? You got 3 dancing rods. Wormy quit. He must have chilled out. This guy here's still at it. There it goes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Motherfucker. Come on, you dumbass. Fucking around. Yeah, fucking around, fish. Be a bunch of fucking slack. Dumbass. Fixing to take off. I'm gonna rip it right out of his damn mouth like always. Just probably a freaking gar. Where's the damn bobber at? Oh, it was a snag. I wonder it wasn't floating. Mm-hmm. Oh, come on, fishies. Quit playing around. Here we go. This dude's taking off. Little Wormy. I can finally get one on the wormy, guys. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Well, I always gotta keep biting at the same damn time. Never fails. Come on, wormy. Wormy boy. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. This rod's fucking bending now too. Damn it. Oh. He ain't messing around, man. He's wanting that bait. Come on. Come on, get it. Let me get this guy back up and rolling again. Whatever's wrong with him. There's one, guys. What do we got here? Another drum perch. Old drum bud. Thought something was on there. It was acting funny. It was acting funny. Little drum perch, guys. Nope. He make good cut bait, but I'm gonna leave before I need any more bait. So we'll do that and get rid of him for now. Another wormy. Oh yeah. How's that? Is that a bite? Sure looked like it, didn't it? God damn. Why I got so much damn slack in it, ain't even funny. There we go. There we go. Here. Caught back up with my rod there. I'll throw this one back out now. Alright guys, we're back. I got bites again. And I got people coming downstream in the fucking kayaks again. And where's my bobber? Where's my bobby? Freaking fish had it under. Yeah, fish had it under. I wasn't even paying attention, guys. Damn it. Figures. Story of my life. Fucking loudmouth people. God. My battery's burning my pocket up. Wow. It's toasty, guys. Almost 6 o'clock. Been down here about an hour. Alright. There's a bite on the old bobby again. I need to take one of these and throw it out there. That I do, that I do, that I do. A bite or is that a snag, guys? Can't tell. There's a fish. I missed him though. And he stole my damn bait. He stole my bait. I'll leave this one in for a minute till these people get by. Oh shit. Catfish.
Any luck?
A little bit. Few catfish and big old gar.
How big?
The catfish is probably about 3 pounds.
Yeah.
Did you catch anything?
Yeah, a few. Gar and catfish. Oh yeah, you're all right. There's a lot of traffic on this river anymore.
Yeah.
I had my kayak out yesterday below that spillway at Chevyville.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I love fishing from it. I just don't fish down here very often out of it. Got to paddle too damn far.
Well, hey, good luck, man.
Yeah, you guys have a good one.
Best of luck to you.
Oh shit. Hang on, bud. I think you got my rod.
Huh?
I think you got my rod with your anchor there or something.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
I will.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, you're all right. I'll give you a little slack here in a second.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
No.
You're good. You're free.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that.
Oh, that's all right. Damn guard been messing with me all day anyway.
Hey, have a good night.
Yep, you too. Oh. All right, there we go. Yeah, wormy's taking off. Freaking fish. Leave me alone. Freaking fish. Got him, guys. All right, there's another one. The old drum perchy. Got him in the side of the face, guys. Yes, we did. Drum perchy drumming at me too. Alright, let's get some of these other rods out, guys. Before I put that back in there, and then that crawler's trying to escape. Alright, oh. Cool beans. Alright. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm back. Now, I'm gonna recast this one while I'm at it. It's snagged up anyway. Yep. Yep, me snagged up. Damn fish. Oh my god, that straight braid is strong, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, that shit was stout. Jeez Louise. Guys, yeah, bite on wormy. I had these two poles casted back out. Oh, wormy again. Here we go, guys. Come on, dude. drum perch. Yep. Drum perch galore here, guys. Drum perch galore. Alright, I ain't throwing this one back out. I'm done. I'm done. I want biting that cut bait there now. If they go empty, I'm putting them up, guys. I'm up above this spot. I walked all the way down. Ooh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Got him, whatever it is. I got him, guys. That's a cat. That's another cat. That's a nice one, too, whatever it is. Oh, he's down there rolling. It's got to be a kitty. Ah, my bobber's gone, too. Damn it. Oh, yeah. Come here, Mr. Kitty Cat. Yeah, that's a nice one, guys. Yeah, that's a turtle, one or two. Oh, it might be a turtle. You kidding me? Freaking turtle. God damn it. Why me? I always get turtles. Oh, he let go. Ah, thank God. Alright, guys. That one ain't going back out. Now I know it's destroying my bait. If I'm a bobber. Gotta find the old bobby boy. Well, raccoons will have a feast with that freaking pile of shit there, guys. There he is. He just come back up. Is there something on it? I wonder. Snag. Yeah, lost the bait on that one. Yep. Quickly looking like it's about that time, guys. Quickly looking time, about that time. Didn't do too bad. Couple of channel cats, or yeah, a couple of channies, a couple of drums, garfish. And a productive day. Not too shabby at all, guys. Alright, well, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Like always, guys, if you like this content, hit that like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. Tell your friends about the channel too. Get your family, whoever. Get them all on there watching it, guys. I can use all the subscriptions I can get. And we will see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.